guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing fantastic. Okay, so in today's video, as you guys can tell, I'm going to be testing out a few makeup products, just a little, you know, it's not that much, but I do have something that I've always been interested in, and I kind of find it a little bit ridiculous, but it's okay, you know. We're going to test that out as well. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing exactly what I'm talking about and the products we're going to test out, be sure to grab a cup of tea, grab your bottle of water, cold or not cold, it don't matter. Just grab something and let's get started. Okay, and if you're not yet subscribed, if you haven't joined the family yet, just go ahead and join now. Turn that subscribe button down below from red to gray, and bam, you're part of the fam bam. Okay, and turn notification. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump straight into it. I need to drink my water. So the first product, a lot of people have been talking about this, and people have been calling it the Holy Grail. So I went into Mecca the other day. Mecca is a makeup store, by the way, like Sephora, but yeah, anyway. So I went there, and I actually went there to get a sample of the new Bobbi Brown foundation, which I did get. And then I saw this one, I was like, let me just get a sample of this. I'm not buying it just yet because it's expensive. It's like $80-something here in Australia. Nah. Okay, it's the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. Let's just pull up receipt. Not receipt. Let's pull up the description. So this is supposed to be a lightweight moisturizer and also a primer. It will sink into your skin to create a smooth base for seamless makeup application. They're also saying that it's ideal for normal and oily skin type and whatnot. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna try it out to see exactly what everyone has been going on about this product, literally. Oh shit, she was actually really generous. She gave me a whole punch. Look at that. It filled the entire sample pot. That doesn't usually happen. And it smells really good. It smells so good. It's more of a beige color. Feels like a moisturizer, but it smells so good. Okay. Oh, this smells good, but it's almost kind of overpowering now. At first, I was like, whoa, that smells really good. But oh, it's very moisturizing. I feel like I was saying something just then. Let's move on. That smell is almost overpowering. It's like, you know, when you enter the body shop, that whiff of smell that you get when you enter, that's kind of what it smells like. I hope that's the kind of smell you get when you enter the body shop close to you. I don't know. I hope we're talking about the same smell. That was really nice. Rub it in, and it's already gone tacky. Like the moment I rubbed it in, it went tacky. I like how it's feeling right now, but for that price, yo, I've got lots of primer, so I'm gonna have to sleep on that. I'm gonna have to sleep many moons on that and just decide, because right now I cannot decide. Next thing, we've got foundation. This is the NYX Professional HD Studio Photogenic Foundation, and I picked up the shade Soft Mocha. It's a 33.3 ml tube or 1.12 fluid ounce. If you don't know what mils are. It has a 12-month shelf life. It's very, very important that I mention that, okay? So it's available in 20 shades, and Soft Mocha is for medium with yellow undertone. Okay, so I've got my sponge here. I feel like I need to dampen the sponge a bit, but instead of going to the sink, I'm going to share the next product before the foundation with you guys real quick. Water. I find this almost ridiculous, but intriguing. How much did I even spend on this baby? I think it was like 12. Why am I shaking it? This is water. This is the Evian Brumisato Evian facial spray, okay? It's water. Evian, it's water. Just have water. Put it in a spray thing and spray it on your face. But no, you gotta go and buy an Evian water spray in a can. Okay, so this is what they're saying. This has spray Evian. Am I saying Evian right? Whatever. Evian facial spray on skin several times a day. Leave for a few minutes, then gently dab. Okay, it's a pressurized container, and that's supposed to make water feel better on your face, I guess. Let's spray. Oh. Oh, it's cold. Oh, electrical circuits. It's cool. It's one of those cool things to have. Even though I spent $12 on a 300 ml water. And this water right here is 600 ml. I buy 24 pack for $6. $6. $12. I am crazy. I have gone crazy, but we're just gonna use it. It don't matter anyway. All right, so I'm gonna use it to dampen my sponge. Okay. Smells like when you just opened a toy, a brand new toy. Actually, when you just open a Barbie, when you're smelling the Barbie's head. Let's blend. Where'd it go? Where did it go? I don't see a coverage claim. What coverage are they claiming for this? Because I don't see nothing. There's no coverage. I've just added color to my face because there's no coverage whatsoever. Can you see? You see? There's no coverage whatsoever. They said flawless looking foundation is no longer just for celebrities and models. Seems like it's not for me either. Uses light diffusing technology to enhance the appearance of silky smooth skin. Now, achieve a picture perfect look anytime you're in the spotlight. Well, I'm in the spotlight now, sweetie, but this ain't no picture perfect. Let's build it up. Let me just target those spot areas. Maybe it's the sponge. Nope, brush doesn't add to the coverage either. So here's what I think about this foundation. It doesn't have any coverage to it whatsoever. It just adds color to my face. It's very illuminating, very radiant, but sweetie, I can't speak. There's no coverage to this foundation whatsoever. Look at that huge blemish there. And even though I'm going in with a concealer, which is new as well, I am going to set this with a powder a little bit because I don't feel comfortable sitting here looking a little bit green and not. All right, so I feel a little bit better. All right, the next thing is a concealer. So this is the Sephora Collection High Coverage Concealer, and on the bottle also says natural finish. It smells like chemical. Wow, I really like the doe foot applicator because it's flat. So when I'm putting it here, it just kind of fits really, wow, it fits really nicely in my inner, what is this place called? Corner right here. Okay, wow. I love this applicator, guys. This is not a high coverage concealer. When it's a high coverage, I'm expecting full coverage, like maximum coverage, high coverage. This is not a high coverage concealer, but it is a better coverage. The coverage is better than the coverage of the foundation. Yeah. Ooh, my sponge is dry. Lord, honestly, that is really easy to blend out. Literally the easiest concealer to blend out. It feels like the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Okay, that's giving me a medium coverage right there. Whoa, do you see this? That's beautiful. That's beautiful. That line that we made with the applicator, it's just remained there, especially like the way I kind of blended it out, you know, without being too vigorous, and we kind of maintained that line. But it shows you as well that this concealer has a really, really nice coverage to it. You know, I wouldn't say it's a high coverage concealer or whatever, but it's a really decent medium-ish coverage concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna set it and I'm gonna contour and whatnot, and I'll be back. By the way, I'm contouring with the new Makeup Revolution foundation stick in the shade F18. I'll be back. Okay, so now we're done. I've set it and I'm looking more decent, I believe, if I say so myself. Okay, and I didn't set the contour, but it's okay. Let's just move on. Okay, so I did kind of apply blush on my face, and as I was doing that, I was like, Esther, you stupid. No, I'm not. I'm smart. Okay, but I forgot. I actually got this for free at BeautyCon, and this is what it looks like. This is called the Triple Blake blusher, the Triple Baked blusher, and the Triple Baked blusher bursting with love. I'm guessing that's the. Actually, this is not by Makeup Revolution. This is by I Love Makeup, but it's a sister company to Makeup Revolution. They all have shimmers to it. Let me just swatch. There's the shimmers. I hope you can see it, because I can be a terrible swatcher. But yeah, they're quite shimmery. They're cute, they're pretty, but I don't know how I'm supposed to use it because it's shimmery. I don't really use shimmery blush. Just, oh, that's so pretty. Oh, that's so pink. It's pretty though. That's actually pretty, but I'm gonna buff it out because that's too crazy. So the next highlighter is this. This is actually by I Love Makeup, which is a sister to Makeup Revolution. I believe it's the same person that owns it, and this is what it looks like. I really like this. It's so cute, and it comes with a mirror as well, and I believe it was very affordable, probably like £4 or £5 or something like that. And yeah, I really like this color. Oh, that's my color. Let me swatch. Oh my lord, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, let's swatch the other side. Oh wow. Oh, they're so pretty. Can you see it? They're so pretty. Oh my Lord, that's so pretty. It's not all one color. It's different colors, but it's almost kind of separated a little bit. You see that this part is the more of a deeper bronze gold, and you go lighter and then it goes really lighter. You know what I mean? That is so cute. So pretty. All right, so now let's go into the face, and I've kind of come closer a little bit. Okay, so I found this thing, this very interesting thing on the website when I was placing an order for the new foundation stick, and I was like, I have to have it. I have to buy at least one. There was a particular one that I really wanted to buy that had, I think, blue colors and green colors or something in it, and I really wanted to get it because I'm trying to push myself to try more of a vibrant colors and whatnot, but it was sold out. So yeah, this one came to me. So this is I love Revolution, I love Surprise Dragon eyeshadow pot. Let's just open it. Oh, it feels, whoa, my face looks distorted in that. It feels, oh, that is gorgeous. This packaging is in 2049. I am telling you, this is gorgeous. So what is this? Before I open it, before we get surprised, so it consists of 2 highlighter. Oh, I just used highlighters. It consists of 2 highlighter and 5 eyeshadow powders. Oh, that is so cute. This is the cutest thing I have ever seen. What in the world is this, Makeup Revolution? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Can I travel with this? It fits in my egg. In my egg. It fits in my hand is what I try to say. It's actually, I think it's a little bit bigger than the size of an egg. I am so crazy. Okay, this is an egg. This is the egg. So this is egg for eating. This is egg for makeup. Cute. Okay, this is not bored. I don't want to break it, but they're so cute. Okay, they're pigmented. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this shade first. This one, it's I don't know how to describe color. It's a brownish shade, but not brown. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna put this in my crease. See, that's really cool. This is the coolest thing I have ever seen so far in makeup, literally. Okay, that blend out nicely. Before we actually proceed, let me swatch these highlighters. Okay, they're a little bit, they're kind of chalky. I don't have any more space, but let's go in between. They're not as orgasmic as these ones were. It's a little bit powdery, so I'm not really a massive fan of that. But it's pigmented, but it's not as orgasmic as this one was, you know, the bronze and shimmer palette. All right, so I'm going to go into this shade. Oh, that got messy real quick. Oh, that's easy to clean off. I'm just depositing this in my outer crease. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this, one of the highlighters, and I'm going to put this in my brow bone. Even though I've already put a highlighter there, but I just kind of feel the need to use it as well. You see that? It doesn't compare to the first one that I used earlier. Nothing compares. All right, I'm gonna grab again, Esther. Oh, that is so pretty. I'm swatching this one. It's pretty or whatever. Okay, I don't have space, but look at that. That's pretty. Let's swatch this one. Okay, this is more of a bronze gold. This is more of a gold. I'm gonna grab this bronze color. I think it will work better with the finger because it's not really applying properly with the brush. Yep, finger. This is really cute. It's a really cute play on Easter. I really like this. And Easter is just around the corner. Phew, that's awesome. Okay, I'm gonna grab this one. Just put it on top of that and just see what we're gonna get. You know, I actually can't see properly because the mirror is a little bit far from me. Oh, Esther. Okay, I'm just putting it on top of it, just in the middle. I'm not going in with it. Yeah. We look all cute or whatever. Looks like I have a little bit of a pink eye, but it's okay. I'm gonna go off camera and apply wing liner and, you know, line my waterline a little bit, you know what I'm saying, and apply lashes, and I'll be right back. All right, babes, here we are, all done. I really like this. Honestly, the lips, the eyes, everything just looks so gel together, you know. I look like I'm ready to take everybody's money, you know, your money, your granddaddy's money, your grandmama, your sister, your brother, your sister-in-law, your brother-in-law, your cousin, your nephew, your niece. I'm sounding really creepy right now, but let's forget about that, okay? But honestly, I really like how this came together. Even though the foundation wanted to be the downfall of me, God was like, nah, my child shall prosper. If I were to choose my favorite product, I would go for this. You can't tell me nothing about this packaging, and you can't tell me anything about the eyeshadows in here. They are so good, and I can't open it. I really like the eyeshadows in here, guys. They're very nicely pigmented. They were easy to blend, and there was no fallout whatsoever, as you guys saw. And I just really like it. I would recommend this, to be honest, but I wouldn't recommend this for the highlighting powders because they're a little bit too powdery for me, a little bit too chunky for me. It's not really my cup of tea. But for the eyeshadows though, they're so good. And speaking of highlighter, do you see my face right now? Do you see that glow? Do you see it? It's this, baby. You guys already know. I don't know why I'm telling you like you didn't watch this video already. I really like this. But the foundation, not my cup of tea. There's no coverage to this whatsoever. It does feel lightweight on the skin and whatnot. I mean, my skin does look good, but, and that's a big old but. I've got cracks. I've got cracks already. Probably because of the way I'm expressing myself right now, you know, moving my face and all that, but I've got cracks. I've got cracks here and cracks here. So it's not really my cup of tea. I can't believe I spent 24 hours on a plane just to have this with me in Australia. It wasn't really worth it, but it is what it is. The concealer is nice, you know. It's not a high coverage concealer in my opinion, but it performed well, you know, kind of like a medium-ish coverage. I really like the applicator of it though. I would use this applicator. I would use this applicator with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer because in my opinion, I feel like the Maybelline Fit Me concealer is a little bit better. I don't know. What else did I try? This one, I said it before and I'll say it again. It's not really my cup of tea. I don't know. This shade, probably the lighter shade. But the pink ones, I don't know. This right here, this is just an excuse to spend more money in my opinion, you know, because I spent $12 on a 300 ml water when I buy 24 packs of water for $6. Like, Esther, what you thinking? What were you thinking? That is it, you know? Yes, it sprays really nicely. I keep forgetting there's a little electrical cord down there. It sprays really nicely and whatnot, but I don't know. It's nice to have. It's not a necessity. That's my take on it. It's nice to have, you know? Yeah. Should I spray my face with it? You know when you just have makeup on and you feel like, oh, you know, your face feels a little bit dry? Oh, that's nice actually, you know? It would be a really nice refresher, you know? Nice refresher. And that's what it's for. So it's nice to have, you know? Yeah. Oh, how can I forget the primer? The Bobbi Brown Vitamins Enriched Face Base, the Bobbi Brown Primer / Moisturizer. It felt really nice on my face. It did give me that, you know, the tacky feeling and whatnot. And it really did, it moisturized my face really nicely. Would I go out and buy it right now? No, because I have a lot of primers and I do have moisturizer, so it's not a necessity for me at the moment. Would I recommend it? Obviously, I can't really say much about the longevity yet, and it's already 8:30 right now. I will try and keep it on for another 4 hours or so, and I'll let you guys know how it went in terms of controlling my oil, if it did control my oil. Okay, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment down below, let me know what your favorite part of this video was and what product was a favorite to see on me, or which one are you looking to try out of all these products and whatnot. And would you get this? No judgment. I just want to know. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe, join this family, okay, because we have fun over here. All right, and if you're already subscribed to my channel, please check down below to make sure you're still subscribed. Make sure your notification is still turned on, because over the past few days I've had to subscribe again to the people that I was actually subscribed to. Like, I've had to subscribe to almost 15 or so people, no joke. And apparently it's happening to a lot of people as well. So it seems like YouTube unsubscribing from a lot of people, and it's probably more than I haven't noticed yet. Okay, so please make sure that you are subscribed to me. Okay, so as I said earlier, thank you so much for watching, babes. I really appreciate you guys, and as always, whatever you're doing, to love yourself, and I hope I see you guys in my very next video. Bye.